problem with that one. Another one? I think we get a couple more looks this way. We got a lot of looks. Right at him, right at him. He went down. He got him. Oh, you can fire at that. You can stay in front of me. That was fine. You're all good up in here somewhere. Right at him. Hey, she got a couple shots fired up there. At least she's letting it loose now. That one pops nice. That's a nice little 20 gauge. Yeah. Well, right at us. You did. You got it. That was yours. That was all yours. 'Cause I shot after you. Boom. That's right. Comment. Nope. She had a mouthful of feathers there. This is my third one. Second one here. Did one at Milford too. It's nice. It's both. Here it comes. It's a little different though. Everything's flatter. There's not a lot of terrain. You got a lot more variation and shots here than they have. Johnson Creek. Oh, it's a nice setup there. It's like a country club for this, yeah. No, I don't think so. I think that one looked like it was hurt coming right out of the gate. Didn't fly right. It was like flying kind of. Yeah, their tower is surrounded by evergreens, so you really can't even see it. And they run the flag up a flagpole. But they let loose doves, quail, pheasants, everything when I was out there. It was a customer shoot, one of my suppliers, or one of my customers, I should say. And it was a blast.
Yeah, I know it's a really nice place. Prices.
Oh, yeah. I didn't pay for it. I can't imagine what he paid for that. It had to be expensive as hell.
I just see them. Their Facebook ads pop up. And what they get for 10 pheasants.
Oh, yeah.
They get 20 plus 5 truckers.
Right, right. Yeah, it's not cheap out there. It's a really beautiful place, but I like their what do you call sporting clays is fun out there. Oh, they got her. Nice. They got a nice 5-stand out there too. Yeah, I like McMiller's sporting clays. Yeah, that's definitely the better one. That should be it.